everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Dosas is one of my favorite tiffins and I can't get enough of them, and I always try different varieties of dosas. Today I'm going to share a very special Andhra style Ghee Karam Dosa, wherein you make a nice spicy onion chutney that goes on top of the dosa, and this is very simple and easy to make. So let's get started and check it out. The first step for preparing this dosa is to get the masala mix ready. To a mixer jar, add 2 onions roughly cut, add about 12 red chilies, then add about 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 10 cloves of peeled garlic and half teaspoon of salt. Grind everything to a nice smooth paste without adding any water. The moisture content in the onions and tomatoes is more than enough for grinding this chutney. Once done, transfer it to a bowl. So to remove the raw smell and taste, I'm going to temper a few ingredients and saute this chutney. To a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add about 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Let the mustard seeds start splattering. Now add the ground masala paste and mix everything well. Keep the flame on low and cook this for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, if you see, it's cooked well, it's thickened a bit and all that raw smell has gone. Turn off the stove at this point and transfer the cooked masala into another bowl and keep it aside. Place a dosa tawa on the stove. Once the tawa is hot, take a ladle of the dosa batter and spread it onto the tawa, nice and thin. Add some ghee around the edges as well as on the top of the dosa. Spread the prepared masala mix on the dosa evenly. Pour some more ghee on it. It will turn out to be yummy and crispy. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. While flipping it, keep the flame on low, otherwise the masala paste can get burnt. Once it is cooked on both sides, remove from the tawa and transfer it to a plate. There you go, here is a spicy and tasty Ghee Karam Dosa. It's best enjoyed when it's nice and hot. I'm serving this dosa with some nice peanut chutney by the side. You can enjoy it with any chutney of your choice. You can prepare the spice masala whenever you find time and store it in the refrigerator. This will be fresh for up to 2 days and you can use it whenever you're preparing the dosa. If you guys want the recipe for the peanut chutney, please post your comments. Fantastic. This combination is just perfect. The flavors of that spicy onion chutney on that dosa is just fantastic. So you can keep the dosa batter and the chutney ready and enjoy these dosas whenever you want. Now I've served this particular dosa with a special peanut chutney. You can also enjoy it with coconut chutney, and you can also add different variations to it by adding an egg or some potato masala and enjoy. Do share this recipe with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.